Bitcoin mining. Now, what is Bitcoin mining? Bitcoin mining is a record keeping service. As simple as that. Miners who mine keeps the blockchain complete by re-verifying it again and again. So it's automatically updated by each and every miner. Miners also collect a new transaction into a new group and it is called block. Each new block contains a cryptographic hash of the previous block using the hashing algorithm SHA-256. So what it means is, let's assume you are a miner and I am a miner. Now we both don't know each other because you live in another place, I live in another place, and we don't know if you mine or not. So once you mine the block, you enter all the information and you enter the previous block hashing algorithm in it. Once I mine after you, I enter your block's hashing algorithm and then all the new group of mining information about the new transaction. So basically each and every block is attached to the previous block. So SHA-256 helps link transaction to the previous block, and due to this is known as a blockchain, a chain which is which is like of all the blocks, and this helps us both to verify each other transactions. So it's like verifying it again and again and again. That's why blockchain, Bitcoin is the most secure stuff on the blockchain platform because it's verifying again and again. In banks, once a transaction is verified, it's gone. Whereas in blockchain, in Bitcoin, it is verified again and again. So there is no option of like hacking or stuff because once you re-verify it, you'll get to know if something has changed or not. Now, proof of work is also important as it requires miners to find nonce and therefore it gives credibility to the transaction. Proof of work is easy to verify but time consuming to generate as miners try different nonce value for secure transactions. Bitcoin difficult target is adjusted based on the network recent performance. Now the Bitcoin core team assign a difficult target and it is adjusted every now and then. As Bitcoin core team try to keep the average time for transaction between 10 minutes. So for mining one blockchain, the time changes in Bitcoin, but it stays in between 10 minutes. The proof of work system and chaining of block makes alteration or hacking of the blockchain extremely hard, as an attacker must modify all sequent blocks, and it's nearly impossible because once you change one block, you need to change the previous block, and to change the previous block, you need to change the block before it, and so it's like you need to change everything because all the blocks are attached and they will be re-verified once a new transaction comes in place. So it's really impossible. That's why Bitcoin is the number one digital currency. And that's the reason it's rising in value, like it's doubling and tripling every year because people know that it's extremely hard to get hacked and it offers privacy, which makes it the number one digital currency. Thank you.